Welcome. Today we have another small town girl joining us, a probate and estate planning specialist. And what small town are you from, Dena Reecer?
Well, I'm originally from Stephenville, Texas.
Dena, what's this? Tell me the best part of small town living from your point of view.
Professionally, in a small town, you get to know your colleagues, you get to know them well. Because I know you so well, because we practice together in a small town, I feel confident referring clients to you. So it's very rewarding. I've had a couple of other young attorneys who have practiced law with me, moved from Dallas, big D to little d, and who wanted to focus their practice in estate planning and probate law. And they moved from a large firm to work with me in Denton. And by doing so, and having the exposure to the types of cases that I get to help people with, they were able to get their board certification. I feel very fortunate to, even though we're a small town, it was attractive to them to come and practice law with me so that they could have the exposure and become a specialist themselves. So I'm very proud of that fact.
I echo your comments about the opportunities for small town lawyers to get more of experience that they're seeking. I had practiced only 20 years when I reached my 50th jury trial. And I know from talking to a lot of Dallas lawyers and lawyers all around the country that very few lawyers that practice 20 years have 20 trials, much less 50 jury trials. So
Right.
it really has been a blessing. But I think small town folks, especially small town women, get a bad rap. What do you think about that?
I think that there's a perception that, if we live in a small town, then we don't know what we're doing. And that's very far from the truth. We, like you said, we have a lot of experience because we have a lot of exposure in our small towns.
Dena Reecer, thank you so much for joining us.